Immobiliser fit. This is a 2019 E63S with a Ghost Immobiliser. So a thief copied the key, done a relay attack. Vehicle's not going to start up. So what the customer has to do, foot off the brake, tap the ignition on, go through their code. We've set 1, 2, 3, 4. If you watch the park indicator, we get a double flash. Now foot on the brake, start the vehicle up, and you can drive away. Customer can set their own code between 4 and 21 presses, and this system also has a service mode, so when it goes back to Mercedes you can turn the whole system off. The way you do that is with the system disarmed, pull the parking brake 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get 5 flashes and the system's in service mode. So now when it goes back, there's going to be no code to start this vehicle. It's just going to be a normal car. As long as it doesn't exceed 30 miles an hour, 15 minutes or more, it's going to stay in service mode. To turn the system back on, start the car, put your code in, get a double flash and it's back on. To get one of these fitted, give us a call 0208 212 7393.